3 or 4 winters ago. That's jokes.
Rolling up the block, pulling 187s, sipping on a bottle full of cough suppressants. Haven't met the preacher, haven't met the reverend, but my flow's gotta be the closest thing to heaven. I'ma break the levee, I'ma break the blunt, I'ma show my ice, I'ma shake the joint, I'ma do what I want, I'ma slay the drugs, I'ma stack my money, I'ma save that up. When I was young, always wanted a range to back up. Now I'm pulling